let's see how to upload your files to Google Colab. So I'm already logged into my account, and let's create a new notebook. I'll name it Upload Files. And let's connect to the runtime environment. Now, to upload the files, we first need to click here, where it says Files. Now, the simplest way to upload your files is simply to drag them here. So I have an image file that I want to upload. Here it is. And I'm simply going to drag it to my notebook over here like that. And here we get a warning. What this warning says is that every file that we upload this way will be only stored temporarily. That's because once this session is over, all of the files that we uploaded will be removed from the servers. So to remind you, a Google Colab session only lasts for 12 hours. And after 12 hours, it's going to expire. So make sure that you back up your files somewhere else and not rely on Google Colab to store them. Anyway, I'm fine with that, so let's click on OK. And if we double click on the file here, we can see a preview of this image. Let's hide it. Now I have a simple code that shows this image as a grayscale image. And here, in this line, we need to provide the path to the image file. So to get the path to our file, we're going to right-click on the file we just uploaded and copy path. And I'm simply going to click here where I need to paste it, then press on Ctrl-V to paste. And if I now run my cell, we can see the output grayscale image. Now, this method is simple and works great. But let's say that you need to work with big files and you don't want to upload them whenever you start a new session. In this case, it might be better to use Google Drive. So let's go to google.com, and here I'm going to click on the options icon and choose Drive. And here I can see the files on my Google Drive, and currently I only have this file, which is the notebook that we're currently working on. So what we can do, instead of uploading the file directly to the notebook, we can upload it to Google Drive. And once it is in Google Drive, we can use it in our notebook. And it was uploaded. Let's get back to our notebook. And let's restart our session so I won't have any of the files that I previously uploaded. So I'll click here and I'll choose Disconnect and Delete Runtime. And let's now reconnect. And as you can see, the file I uploaded before is not here anymore. What we're going to do now is connect this notebook to Google Drive. To do that, we simply click here, where it says Mount Drive. And we need to allow this notebook to access our Google Drive. So let's connect to Google Drive. And Google Drive was mounted. And now we can see here a new folder, which is simply called Drive. Let's clear the output of the cell from the previous run. And of course, this path is not going to work anymore. This time we need a path from our Google Drive. So let's see what we have in our Drive folder. And here we have My Drive. Let's open it as well. And here we can see all of the files and folders we have in our Google Drive. So once again, I'm going to right-click on the image file and copy path. And let's paste this path. So once again, Ctrl-V. And let's run this cell. And once again, we can see the output of the image.